Hello student, welcome to chemistry class. And as you know that we are studying solid state. In previous class we defined characteristic of solid state, type of solid in form of crystalline solid and amorphous solid. Next, classification of solid on the basis of intermolecular force. There are four types of solid: molecular solid, ionic solid, metallic solid and covalent solid. Molecular solids are three types: non-polar molecular solid, polar molecular solid and hydrogen bonded molecular solid. And we also saw the different type of forces between the constituent particles, their examples and their properties. Okay, then we started a new topic, that is the space lattice and unit cell. We also defined space lattice. It is the three-dimensional arrangement of the particles in the form of crystal which make a system. Okay, now we will see a unit cell. Unit cell. What is the unit cell? Students, see here very carefully that suppose this is a portion of this crystal, smallest portion of this crystal, smallest portion of this crystal. Okay, smallest portion of this crystal. This is the smallest portion of this crystal. Okay, this is the smallest portion of this crystal, and like this there are other 7 part. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या है कि ये एक छोटा सा पार्ट है इस क्रिस्टल का, और ऐसे ही हमें बाकी के 4 नीचे और ये 3 ऊपर दिखाई दे रहा है। मतलब कि ये एक क्रिस्टल सिस्टम के अंदर, यानी एक स्पेस लैटिस के अंदर कुल मिलाकर के 8 जो है कि यूनिट सेल्स हैं। तो कह सकते हैं कि ये यूनिट सेल क्या होता है? यूनिट सेल एक तरह से स्मॉलेस्ट पोर्शन ऑफ द स्पेस लैटिस which is the repeating unit of a crystal system. वो क्या है? repeating unit of the crystal system. Once again, unit cell is the smallest portion of the what? Smallest portion of the space lattice. Smallest portion of the space lattice. Okay, and it is the repeating unit. It is the repeating unit. Okay, thus you can write here about the, it is the smallest portion of small of space lattice, which represent the repeating unit of space lattice ओके। ये छोटा सा जो पोर्शन दिख रहा है हमें, ये छोटा सा जो पोर्शन दिख रहा है, ये छोटा सा पोर्शन क्या है, स्पेस लैटिस में एक यूनिट को बता रहा है। ठीक है, जैसे कि अगर एक मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग है तो उस बिल्डिंग का जो एक पोर्शन, एक फ्लैट जो होगा वो रिपीटिंग यूनिट होगा, क्योंकि वैसे ही जो ढेर सारे फ्लैट मिल करके एक बड़ी सी बिल्डिंग बना दी। अब हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि एक यूनिट सेल के अंदर क्या पैरामीटर होते हैं। हम लोग क्या देखेंगे कि एक यूनिट सेल के अंदर क्या पैरामीटर होते हैं। तो इसके लिए हम यहाँ पे एक यूनिट सेल छोटा सा बनाते हैं। हैव यू नोटेड दिस? इसको नोट कर लिया होगा। अगर नोट कर लिया है तो हम इसको इरेज करते हैं। ओके, one unit cell has 6 parameter. Okay, 3 axial angles and 3 axial lengths. Okay, this one is the axial length. You can write here, suppose this one is Z, this one is the Z, and this one is X, and this one is Y. Thus this is the axial length. Okay, 3 axial angles are what? Angles are alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta and gamma. And 3 axial lengths are A, B and C. These are the 6 parameter of what? Unit cell. Thus, once again I will tell you, there are 6 parameters to measure this unit cell or to measure the type of crystal. In next topic we will come to know how many types of the crystals are found, but all crystals type depend upon the 6 parameter. It means to say that on the basis of parameter we can define the different type of crystal system. Okay, thus here is the sixth parameter: three axial angles alpha, beta, gamma, and three axial lengths A, B, C. Okay, now we will see here the crystal system. Once again, I will tell you that what are the property of this unit cell. That will be the property of क्रिस्टल सिस्टम. एक पूरे क्रिस्टल की जो प्रॉपर्टी होगी, एक पूरे क्रिस्टल की जो प्रॉपर्टी होगी वो एक यूनिट सेल प्रेजेंट करेगा. यानी एक यूनिट सेल को देख करके हम एक क्रिस्टल को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, और एक यूनिट सेल के अंदर वो सारी प्रॉपर्टीज होंगी जो एक पूरे क्रिस्टल के अंदर होंगी. तभी तो हम उसको यूनिट बोलेंगे, ठीक है. हैव यू नोटेड दिस? ओके, नाउ वी विल सी हियर क्रिस्टल लैटिस सिस्टम. ओके, आई विल इरेज दिस. क्रिस्टल सिस्टम. Crystal system. Okay. On the basis of axial distance, once again I will told you that what is axial distance or axial length. Here is x, y and z. A, B and C. This A, B, C are the axial distance or axial length. A, B, C are the axial distance. Axial distance. Okay, and the angle between two axes like alpha, beta and gamma, this is the axial angle. Alpha, beta and gamma. On these parameters there are different type of crystal system. Basically we will see here the 7 crystal system. There are 7 crystal system on the basis of axial distance and axial angle. Okay, axial angle. Now we will see here what are these system. Okay, you have to make a chart on these systems. Okay, first of all you have to draw a column, ideally at least 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns. Okay, 1 2, I think it should be here, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here is the crystal system crystal system and next is the here will be possible variations, axial distance, and axial angle, and last one is the example. Okay, we will start from the cubic system. There are 7 systems. First is the cubic system. It may be primitive, body centered, and face centered. In this case, A will be equal to B, B will equal to C, and axial angle alpha will be equal to beta, and beta will be equal to gamma. And the example is NaCl ZnS zinc blend. Okay, you can take copper also, Cu, and KCl like the NaCl, and diamond and L. These are the example of cubic system. Next one is the trigonal. In this primitive and body centered. Okay, in this case A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. Here is the angle is 90 degree. Okay, here is also alpha is equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Angles are same. Okay, and example is white tin and stannous oxide SnO2, titanium oxide TiO2, and calcium sulfate CaSO4. Next one is the orthorhombic, or you can say orthorhombic. Okay, here is all are possible: primitive, body centered, face centered, and end centered. All type of crystals are here possible, but A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. Okay, but angles are alpha equal to beta equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Okay, note down this. Example is rhombic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur, potassium nitrate KNO3 and barium sulfate BSO4. Okay, note down this. Now hexagonal 1 2 3 4th is hexagonal. Next one is the hexagonal. Only primitive structure is possible. Primitive. Only primitive is possible. And here, like this, A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. And angle is alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degree and gamma is equal to 120 degree. Okay, and example is graphite and zinc oxide and zinc sulfide, mercurous sulfide, Mg and zinc. These are the hexagonal. Okay, note down. You can remember this very easily. In case of cubic crystal system, there are primitive, body centered and face centered. Here axial distance are equal, angles are equal. Zinc, sodium chloride, zinc sulfate, copper, calcium chloride, diamond and alum. These are the examples. In case of trigonal, there is only primitive and body centered. Here A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. But all three angles are equal to 90 degree. Means they are perpendicular to each other. Example is white tin, SnO2, titanium oxide and calcium sulfate. Next is the orthorhombic. Here is all type of crystals are possible: primitive, body centered, face centered and end centered. But nothing is equal to each other. A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. Okay, but the angle is, all angles are equal to 90 degree. All angles are equal to 90 degree. Example is rhombic sulfur, potassium nitrate and barium sulfate. In case of hexagonal, there is only primitive type, no face centered, no end centered, no body centered. Okay, therefore here alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree and gamma is equal to what? Gamma is equal to 120 degree. Example is graphite, zinc oxide, zinc sulfide, mercurous sulfide and magnesium, Zn. All these are the examples. Okay, now you will see here is 4 systems. Now 3 systems are as follows. Now next one is the rhombohedral or trigonal. Trigonal or rhombohedral. Okay. Only primitive structure is possible. Primitive structure is possible. In such case, all the distances are equal. Okay. But angles are also equal. Okay. Angles are also equal to 90 degree. Okay. And example is calcite and zinc sulfide, mercurous sulfide. Here angle is alpha equal to beta equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Zinc sulfide, mercurous sulfide, it is known as cinnabar, and iodine chloride, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. These are the trigonal or rhombohedral, in which A, B, C are equal, but alpha, beta is gamma is equal to not equal to 90 degree. Next one is the monoclinic. Okay. And monoclinic is primitive and end centered. There are two types: primitive and end centered. Okay. Here is alpha A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Here alpha and gamma are equal to 90 degree and beta is not equal to 90 degree. Okay. Example is monoclinic sulfur. Monoclinic sulfur and lead carbonate, PbCO3, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, 10H2O, known as Gogurt salt. Okay. Next, last one is triclinic. Last one is the triclinic. Okay. Last one is the triclinic. In case of triclinic, there is only primitive. Okay. Here A is not equal to B, not equal to C, and alpha equal to beta. Alpha is not equal to beta and beta is not equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Okay. Example is K2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7, CuSO4 dot 5s2 and H2SO3, H2BO3, sorry. Okay. In 7 system there are 3. One is the trigonal or rhombohedral, monoclinic and triclinic. In trigonal there is primitive only, in monoclinic primitive and end center, but in triclinic there is primitive time. Axial distance in trigonal is equal, A is equal to B is equal to C, but in case of these two, monoclinic and triclinic, these distance are not equal. But angles here is not equal to 90 degree. Alpha, beta and gamma is not equal to 90 degree. But here alpha and gamma are equal to 90 degree, but beta is not equal to 90 degree. In case of trigonal, no one is equal to each other and equal to 90 degree. Examples of the trigonal is calcite, cinnabar, zinc sulfide is known as cinnabar, ICl, iodine chloride, arsenic, antimony and bismuth are the trigonal. But in case of monoclinic sulfur, lead carbonate, sodium sulfate, decahydrate, and in case of triclinic, potassium dichromate, copper sulfate, pentahydrate and boric acid. Okay, these are the examples of different 7 type of crystals. Okay, next day we will see here what is the primitive type of bodies, what is the body centered, what is the face centered, and what is the hand centered. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.